Hello again, a new day, a new project. So I've been asked by some of my subscribers about the tools I'm using. Let's make this clear from the beginning. This is a hobby workbench. I'm not a professional, I'm not doing this for money, it's just my own pleasure and fun. That's the meaning of being a hobbyist. So I've been asked about what tools do I use, I don't know, for opening, dismantle, tear down, different electronics and laptops and whatever. Okay, so let me start with something really important, essential, I may say. So these are my screwdrivers, my set of screwdrivers. And as you can see over there, there are few different screwdrivers. I mean the tips, the screwdriver, the tool itself is just this one. And I'm also having this, and this is very interesting because you can bend it, so you can take turns somehow. Okay, so what we got here? I have Torx heads or tips, different sizes over there. And then I have Phillips over here, or cross tips. And then I have the classic hex. These are heads. They are not so often find it in the electronics. The most useful are this one, Phillips tips, and of course the flat ones over here. And also there are situation when you need some really strange, like this one it's in 3, you can see it have 3, instead of being a cross it's a triangle or something, and this is really good sometime. Or something like this. Well, this one I just made it myself. I cut a flat one, or slotted, flatbed, flat head, straight head, how you call it. I just put a feel here. This is for those kinds of screws. With those kind of screws, they have a tip in the middle, and this is very useful. So this is the mostly used one. I have a magnifier too. Okay. If I need some longer, then I can use these ones. So this is also flat. And Phillips, they are good also because they have this tail. The bottom of the screwdriver, it's movable. You can have a rotation very easy. You see, I just keep the finger over there and it's rotating. So then you can really do precision dismantle. Okay, so that for screwdrivers. These are for SMD, different sizes, different purposes. Very good. I really recommend that. If you work with a workstation, Reflow Station, this is a need. You see, at least this one is for really thin parts. Okay. These are coming in a set, and they are very useful. Okay. And then sometimes a very useful Swiss Army knife with all kind of mambo jumbos, magnifiers, scissors. The file of this one is very good. The file is absolutely amazing, good, hard. You can cut steel with this. Then my trusty Leatherman. This is good for everything. Cutting, drilling, name it. Knives and everything. This kind of tool. There's nothing important here. Classic Another screwdriver with tips. I'm using this one for cutting wires. This is for nails, in fact. And of course TS100, like soldering iron, call it. Okay, some pump for extracting the soldering. What else? Okay, I forgot about this one. This is very important too. It's nice to have a support like this, you know, for having your boards in between these alligator clips. You can see this. It's solder and resolder and so on, but it's still okay. Okay, I have this for measuring stuffs. Very useful. Then I have a clamp meter, AC, DC, really nice, with night light. Then my little oscilloscope, I love it, very useful too. And this is a special tool. I'm using this for measuring very low resistance. And also, this is very capable. It can measure the lithium or general, let's say, batteries internal resistance. It's great. ER1035 Plus, really nice tool. I really recommend it. Then I have this multimeter M890g. I think this one have 20 years or something, but still working great. So I got no reason to change anything. It's really working. Sometimes it's much faster because you can choose your level, or let's say your domain of measuring. So you don't have to wait for the instrument, you know, to choose or to find what do you want to do with that. Then I have this one, this multimeter. This is auto range. I'm using this also. Backlight is very useful. And this is my Reflow Station. That's 852 KD. That's pretty generic hot air station, nothing special. And this is M8 transistor tester and parts tester too. You can measure resistance, you can measure capacitance and impedances and coils and transistors and thyristors and MOSFETs, and everything you need, it's in this little pack. It's amazing nice. Also function generator, frequency meter, and so many others, pulse width modulation, rotary encoder, and so many other functions. It's a really great little tool. And that's about all. These are my tools, I may say. If I really need something, I can improvise in a split of a second. You know, sometimes improvisation makes the difference between fired and between hired. And what else? What can I show you? Of course, all kind of contact sprays and alcohol for cleaning and stuffs like this. Don't forget about this. A toothbrush is very important. Different kind of scissors for cutting wires and, you know, getting the plastic off from the wires. I have my lamp over here. It helps me a lot. And you see there, I have my studio monitors because I'm doing music also in between some other things. And over there I have my little parts box, resistors and all kind of little stuffs over here, transistors and so on. Something else, and these are my blues harps. I keep them with my tools. Well guys, that's all about. So it's nothing special over here. I love this one. it's very versatile because you know the screwdrivers are long and you can really get in very bad accessible points, and that's almost all I need. For a hobbyist like me, I think it's more than enough. I hope it was useful, and please like and subscribe. Ask if you have any question, I'll do the best to answer. And see you soon with some other projects. Don't forget to have fun and be safe. Bye bye.